Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is the Vacuum Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you on your V11, V15, whatever has an LCD screen, how to change the language. If we get a vacuum from another country or we buy it from someone on Marketplace or online on eBay, the language may have been changed. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button right here and then we're going to hold it down. And it says languages right there. We're going to hold down languages. And whatever you see, you want to hold that button. So you can go through all these languages here till you see which one you want to read off the screen. We are just going to go for the English one. And when you find it, we just want to hold the button down for 3 seconds so it says done. Then we want to click the button till we go to exit menu. Then we want to hold it down for another 3 seconds until it says done. And then it will pop up with the language of your desire.